Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle the Wi-Fi off and on in the settings. This is the most important step because sometimes a little restart can definitely help you. So here we have network and internet. We're going to click on Wi-Fi, and here we will need to press on this little switch. Now when it turns gray, that means our Wi-Fi is disabled, and whenever it turns blue, then that means it is back and enabled. So of course we're connected to the network, but if something's wrong with it, we can just click on the gear icon and click on forget. Now what are we going to do is we're going to, let me quickly just forget this network too. I'm connected to multiple networks right now. Now let's connect to the network, and of course we're going to quickly enter the password, and once we enter the password we can click on connect. We are connected, and that was a little bit of a restart. Of course now it's time to restart another thing, which is your router and a phone. So most of the routers have a switch on the back that you just flip off and flip on. This is the most important step because we don't want to reset it, we want to restart it. And now of course for the phone we press the power button, the volume up button, and now let's click on restart. It is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it is done. Now after the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to check for software updates. So we're going to open up settings, and of course we're going to swipe down, not that much, but we're going to swipe down to system updates and click check for updates. Now you want to make sure that you're on the latest version, just like me. And after that, as a last resort, what you guys can do is go over, leave the system updates and click system, and click on reset options, then tap on reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So we basically resetted the Wi-Fi, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.